Hello guys, welcome to Cryptogenics. We can see that Bitcoin is currently at 39,000. It took a pullback from 45,000 level, which is a key resistance in a weekly and a daily time frame. So Bitcoin is currently down because there are number of downfall that happened in the world markets. As we can see that Nasdaq was down around 2% on Friday, and also the S&P 500 index was off to 1%. The action in Europe was very much worse, as the DAX was at 4.4% down. Also, the France CAC 40 was down to 5%, and Italy's stock exchange was at 6% down. So this has happened due to all the correction that happened in the world market, and these markets are correlated. So if global market gets down, it easily affects all the crypto market, as all the markets are correlated. And we can see that US Federal Reserve's chairman, who is Jerome Powell, has on Tuesday said that they are worried on the economic impact that can create a global market downfall in terms of Russia-Ukraine war, and it has easily created. Also, the data showed that there were only 6 lakh jobs added in February versus expectations of 4 lakh. Now we will see what the technical analysis say in terms of Bitcoin price action. So we can easily see that Bitcoin took a rejection from 45,000 level, which is a key support and a key resistance level, which could have been crossed, as it was trying a second time to cross that level of resistance. After that, we can see that it did not took a good amount of time to make support at the 40,000 level. So the nearest support for Bitcoin is currently at 38 to 35,000 region. So let's see what happens into the market. I see it as a I see it at I see it as a range bound movement, where BTC range bounds to 45,000 to 40 30 sorry 35,000. So I see this as a BTC's range bound movement till 35,000 to 45,000 level, and then when it takes a breakout, we can see the further upside movement. Keep in mind that this is not a financial advice. You should do your research. So they are so crypto exchanges are bypassing the Russian sanction. So US officials have urged global cryptocurrency exchanges to block sanctions, as as they are used to as they are used to avoid sanctions that are happening in Russia. So they have urged global cryptocurrency exchanges to block sanctions individuals from accessing their digital assets regardless of location. So it has created uncertainty in the market also. So this also affects the market, and that's why we are seeing a downfall of crypto markets that is happening right now. And we cannot say that when it will stop or when it will recover. We can only do TCA in some good alts like Terra, which is up by 13% in 7 days, but also it is down by 6% in 24 hours. So the sanctions that was initiated on Russia. So as there were sanctions that were initiated towards Russia, so the Russian ruble denominated crypto trading. So as the invasion began on the last Thursday, so when the invasion began, there were a couple of countries that sanctioned on the. Since the invasion began last Thursday, a transaction on centralized crypto exchanges, as there were invasions that were happening around the around as there was invasions that were occurring on Russia and Ukraine. as there were invasions occurring on different parts of Ukraine through Russia. The Russian ruble trading activity suddenly increased, and it has surged from it has surged due to the ongoing war situation. So transactions on centralized crypto exchanges involving involving Russian ruble have surged. So we can see that it increased to we can see that the tether and US dollar tether packed so the stablecoin activity has reached almost so the stablecoin activity has reached almost $30 million, making the highest turnover this year, and a 30% jump in volume from a week earlier. So we can see that the Russian ruble trading activity has given a 14.6% increased in so this this ruble this ruble denominated so this ruble crypto trading activity has sold Bitcoin to 14% upside. So due to this, the Bitcoin sold 14% on Monday, as there was a crypto trading activity increment in terms of Russian ruble. Currently, we can expect there is a double bottom pattern that is occurring on a Bitcoin, which is a very bullish, which is a very bullish sign in terms of bullishness. So we can see that there is a double bottom pattern that is happening here. There is a double bottom pattern that is occurring on a 35,000 to 34,000 area. We can see that there is a double bottom and a W pattern, which is a very bullish sign, but it is invalidated due to this dump that occurred on on 4th of March. So uh, let's see what happens into the market, but the market is currently in a free fall situation. So it is rather good to avoid trades, but it is good to add some or it is good to add or accumulate some good alts that has a good fundamental background. So make sure to do DCA into those alts who has a good fundamental background, like Solana. There are good alts that has a good fundamental background, and I would suggest you guys to keep into those top 50 coins, as we don't know where the market is going. So we can see that Solana, Terra Luna, Cardano, Avalanche, these are good fundamental and strong coins, and avoid this type of coins in this particular situation where we cannot say anything about the market, where the market is going. Matic is also one of the good fundamental coins, which I will add in the upcoming days. Also, Cosmos ecosystem is brewing right now, and we cannot say anything about it, but I can I assume that Cosmos will be the one that will be that will be exploding in the upcoming months when the market recovers from this situation. So make sure to keep that red button blue or white. keep Make sure to subscribe to Cryptogenics to get this type of updates about the market, about investing, and to find out hidden gems in a to find out to find out good fundamental coins that can give you a good amount of returns based on their fundamentals. So I have uploaded a couple of videos like top 5 cryptocurrencies that we can buy in that we can buy metaverse cryptos. So make sure to check out those videos, as I have given good amount of information that can help you in your that can help you to buy some good coins rather than investing your money in meme coins like Shiba Inu, Baby Dogecoin, and many more. There are numerous Ponzi schemes that are going on in terms of meme coins. So try to avoid that and focus on good alts that has a good fundamental backgrounds. Make sure to subscribe to Cryptogenics and give like to your and make sure to like this video if it helps, or if the information given in this video will be helpful to you. So make sure to keep subscribed to Cryptogenics, and don't forget to like the video.